going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to install GunSkins onto your AR-15. This here is my 300 Blackout, and this is what we will be installing today. Just a little disclosure, GunSkins did send this out for me to do a review. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Basically, if you guys don't know what this is, it is a vinyl skin for you to put on your weapon. The nice thing about the AR-15 rifle skin is that everything is pre-cut, so you just gotta put it on, use some heat, and you're ready to go. The only thing that's not pre-cut would be the piece for the handguard. It's just some tools for you to need to do this. Is an X-Acto knife. You can find it at any hobby store. This one here, if it'll focus. Here we go. Local Walmart, you can pick it up for a couple bucks. And a hair dryer or a heat gun. Let's open this up and see what we have inside here. So you do get a cool little decal there. And inside you get all of the cutouts for your AR-15. So you get the right upper receiver, right lower receiver, forward assist, shell deflector, etc. And like I said, everything is pre-cut. The only thing that's not pre-cut would be this big long piece here, which you can use for the handguard. I'm going to still debate if I'm going to wrap that. If not, I'll leave it out. If I do, I'll show it in the video. So before you get started, definitely going to want to make sure that your firearm is unloaded. I did take out the bolt carrier and charging handle, so everything is out. And then after that, you're going to want to clean everything with some brake cleaners. Make sure you get all the oil and residue off. I'll be doing that here shortly off camera, and then I'll come in and start installing everything for you. Alright, I'm back now. So what I basically did was I took off the scope. Mine has the American Defense QD scope mount, which is nice, so you can take that on off. It does hold 0. I took off the handguard. You don't have to do this, but I did just because mine has the ears there that holds it on. So I'm going to want to make sure that the vinyl sticks onto here as well. So we're going to put that aside. And for the lower, you don't have to do this, but I chose to take out the pistol grip, safety selector. Just careful for that detent down here, and the spring, it will pop out. Put it right back, and we got everything degreased. I just took some brake cleaner and all this. Make sure you get everything off. Nice and ready to go. So we're going to work with the left side of the receiver here first. What you want to do is you're going to find this. It's going to be left upper. So we're going to take the X-Acto knife. Peel that off. Like so. Set this aside. Basically, you're going to line everything up here. So there's this little flap right here. You're just going to line that up with this piece. Alright, so we got that piece on. We're going to move on to the lower receiver. So that's the left side. And we're going to go, I believe, get this guy right here. Left magwell. Nice thing about these is that you can always lift up and fix as you're going along. Left lower portion. I want to grab the other left lower, which is right here. Oh, it's right here. Alright, so after some finagling, I did get this installed. I think it looks nice. Flip over to the right side, we're going to work on that. So the next piece we're going to do is this right here, which is the right mag well. So we got that nice and wrapped. I'm going to move on to this part here, which is this guy right here. The little trick is just going to squeeze this right over the takedown pin. And then this piece here will be number 12. Next piece is going to be the mag release. And that's how she looks. Not too bad. Alright, so next up we're going to do the dust cover. Again, you want to go back to this kit here, and it'll say dust cover. Take that piece out. Next step is going to be this little piece down here, which is right here, number 6. Alright, after that we are going to get this piece back here on, which is found here on number 7. That is on there now. Alright, there's actually a piece that goes right here on the shell deflector. I think we're going to leave that out just because, of course, the shell is going to come out and I don't want it to ding the wrap, so we're going to skip that part. So the next piece is going to be the right upper receiver, which is this part right here. And that'll be number 8. Next step is going to be the forward assist, which is found on here, number 9. What you're going to do is you're going to center it on here. It should look, after everything is installed, back. Now you can put in the top rail section. I'm not going to because I'm going to put an optic on there and I want everything to sit nice and tight. So I'm going to get everything put back together for you guys and see how it looks like. Alright, so I got everything put together. Got the scope put back on. Pistol grip, trigger pins have been put back in. Handguard, I decided not to wrap pistol grip just because it's the rubberized texture and the handguard. Just because I like the color contrast of the FDE scope here to this FDE to this multicam color. I think it looks pretty neat. You can wrap the handguard if you'd like. Like I said, they do give you extra wrap here for you to do that. Basically, you take the handguard off. Probably be a lot easier. Wrap this around. You're gonna have to cut out all the little holes and crevices for the wrap, and then you're gonna want to heat it and conform it to the handguard. Same goes with the pistol grip. I did not do that. Like I said, it is rubberized, so I like that. They do include a mag wrap here for one magazine, so it's labeled left and right. I'm not going to show that because YouTube is pretty strict on high capacity magazines, which is what I have. But pretty self-explanatory. Take the mag, put the left on the left side, right on the right side. Use heat, push it down with the sponge, and you're good to go. But overall, this install did take a little while, but you don't want to rush this process just because it's really tedious and you want to make sure everything goes on correctly, nice and smooth. Durability of this will have to be seen in the future. I don't know how it's going to hold up, but I plan to take this to the range here in the next couple of weeks. It gets a little warmer. It's in the negative degrees here in Wisconsin, so I'm not going to go ahead and shoot just yet, but I just want to say thanks again to GunSkins for sending this out. I'm not going to leave a link in the description just because YouTube is pretty strict on links to Second Amendment parts, so GunSkins.com, check them out. Any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them. If not, GunSkins is happy to answer them for you. Just shoot them an email or go on their Instagram page. They are pretty active on there as well. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And until next time, be safe, everyone.